Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing better and safe during this pandemic recovering period. Let me take your time to listen my words about optimism. Exact is, we are all optimists. In certain period of time, we forget it. That is because of our busy schedule or unknown ability. That means our self-ability. Actually, optimism is positive prediction of future beliefs. One who carries positive thoughts and views at his or her each and every moment will fulfill their life with success. Our environment is not remaining in such a way. Few people are completely with negative thoughts and views. This negativity in an individual leads he or she to attain negatives in all the way they walk. At the end, they face failures and they embed faith, belief and hope. The next category is a set of people with dilemma concept. It's half positive, half negative. This kind of people will not have any goal to achieve. They live just like that, taking care of present situations. They face ups and downs, carrying positivity as well as negativity. Even they don't bother self-belief. Both the categories survey their life without any intention of their future. It happens for them loaded with worries and sad. Being optimistic shows confidence of an individual, develops of their attitude, kind of lifestyle along with values and spiritual faith. This supports and evaluates prediction of victory. Optimistic views and thoughts develops more only through positive intake and giving positive output. Looking around and taking everything in positive way is essential and build a knowledge of living. Dynamic role represents even the negatives are handled positively with smart deal. Here everyone is generated and produced with new ideas. It results success and appears the successful role model for their rights. Future success fulfills with hopefulness and confidence. Betterment without predicting your future. If could we stop assumption and can settle with opportunities characterized by belief and hope. Generally, optimists are happier with what they have and are in their lives. They are very less stressed and they use intellect to recover from disappointments and illness. Start to challenge the negative situations, wearing positive lens in your eyes, show expectation of chances, list out what are all you can and cannot, acknowledge, accept and develop gratitude and attitude. It all results happiness and stands with in and out the positive environment. As you surround with all those characters in you, obviously people around will be inspired and restarts themselves to achieve the same quality and lifestyle in them. Finally, everywhere you will find around you with positive thinkers and happiest challengers. Be optimistic and develop optimism. Thank you.